Jingle Bells is one of the most fun songs kids can learn. So let's jump straight in. If you are new to guitar, I'm going to show you how to pluck the strings, push the strings down, and how to read guitar tabs, which is an easy way to read music on the guitar. But if you already know this, then you can skip. Just go straight ahead to learning the notes of Jingle Bells. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the thumb on the back of the neck, and we're going to take our fingertip right near the nail, and we're going to push the string this way to the fretboard. Now this might hurt your finger a little bit, but you want to keep the string pinned to the fretboard. That's the secret to getting a really clear sound, and also tucking up right behind this fret here. So hopefully I should have a dint in my finger. You'll go, see if you can push the string down and get a dint in your finger.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
So tabs are a really great way to just read music fast on the guitar. So these are the strings, which I've just outlined in red. So tabs are always upside down for some reason. I didn't design that, they just are like that. So we have string 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that shows you what string we're going to be playing on, and the numbers are the frets. So let's say, for instance, string 1, fret 3, you can see here that I'm going to count down 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to push down here, and I'm going to play the 3rd fret. So if we had a number 1, then we'd play the 1st fret. Okay, so I placed the numbers at the bottom here just to really make it visual. You can pause and practice those parts just to make it super easy for you. Okay, so next we're going to learn how to pluck the strings. So there are different ways. We can use a guitar pick, we can use our fingers, but because Jingle Bells is such an easy song to do, as you noticed in the demo, I was just using my thumb like this. So I'm just resting my fingers on the bottom, and then I'm just pushing through with my thumb like that. Now, it might be worth to just do a few practice dummy runs like this before you have a go at pushing the strings down with your left hand. So you can just get a feel of what it's like to pluck the strings. Okay, so pause the video, have a little practice at that, and then join me in the tutorial where we're going to learn the whole notes to Jingle Bells. How exciting! I'm having so much fun today. I can't wait to teach you this song. Just quickly jumping in here, if you'd love to join me on more guitar adventures just like this, we have a full playlist of the most popular Christmas songs you can learn right now. I provided the link in the description below. If you want your child to stay motivated and fall in love with guitar, all the structured beginner guitar lessons are within Guitar Star Academy YouTube channel. So consider subscribing to the channel and you will be notified when I post new weekly videos. Quickly jumping in here, I'm David. I teach and help children to learn to play the guitar, build confidence, and develop a greater positive self-image by pointing to their true potential so they get to see it more. If you'd love to learn more about what we offer, you can visit now www.davidguitarcoach.co.uk. Thank you so much for watching today. I really honor and appreciate you taking the time to help your child grow, learn and enjoy the guitar. Every parent who shows up like this is making a huge difference. So if you want even more tips, fun exercises, and ways to keep your child motivated, you can check out my book, Guitar Star in 30 Days. It's packed with everything I have been teaching for the past 20 years. It's helped thousands of kids, and it's designed to make practice simple, fun, and confidence building. If you'd love to grab your copy, you can just click the link in the description right now and go and get an instant download copy. It will help to take your child's guitar learning journey to the next level. That's my time for today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and a Merry Christmas.